Hey there peeps, so what's up? This is Jeff aka Nomad Fury and I'm back once again doing videos. So before we begin, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified on what is going on in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And not only that, you can also follow my official social media channels that are displayed here on the screen or in my YouTube description. So I'm gonna talk something that really interests me a lot. So if you guys have heard about Craig Wright, who is the founder of Bitcoin SV, and he's self-proclaimed calling himself as Satoshi Nakamoto. Well, so, most people say that Craig Wright is a fake Toshi. So we don't know that for sure. And speaking of Craig Wright, he was present at the Malta AI and Blockchain Summit, which was organized by Sigma, spearheaded by no other than Eman Police. So, hi there, man. Long time no see. I hope we will see each other again very soon. So, going back to Craig Wright, of course, at the AIBC Summit in Malta earlier this Friday. So, there's one guy right here, he confronted the self-described Bitcoin thought leader. So it was no other than Richard Hart. So you can follow him on Twitter at Richard Hartwin during a talk about Wright's cryptocurrency called Bitcoin SV. So as BeInCrypto was there to witness, of course, shortly after finishing his talk. So Craig Wright began to walk off the stage before Richard Hart shouted out, like, why did you lie about being Satoshi? So despite being finished, Wright came back out and the staff handed Hart a microphone for the two of them to start debating. So speaking of that, I will be showing to you a couple of video clips that were being taken at the Malta AI and Blockchain Summit about the confrontation between Craig Wright and Richard Hart. So guys, here it is.
Why do you pretend to not be a total fool?
Well, I saw you in an interview on screen saying, I don't ever want to be in the public again. You've bothered my family, you've bothered me, you've bothered the people I work with. This will be the last time that you ever see me. Those words from your mouth.
Now, actually, I said I didn't want to go on television then. Please don't bullshit. One, that was an hour interview that was cut and changed, which you'll find out in court soon, which they altered and they asked different questions and gave different answers to.
So we'll do a new one. Are you Satoshi?
Yes.
Okay. So you wrote the Satoshi white paper.
Yes.
And you implemented the 1 megabyte block limit.
I put a temporary limit in there after being badgered by Mr. Finney.
Right. So when you had access to the code base and could update the GitHub, and when you had access to your account on Bitcoin Talk, and when you had access to your Satoshi@gmx.com email, when did you decide that you would stop using those and stop having influence over the project, and then side channel appear as a broke guy later with no successful business interests, no Bitcoin tied to his address, no running from the government in Australia from the Australian tax office?
Sorry, I'm not actually running from Australia. I'm in Britain. You know those extradition laws in Britain to Australia? Sorry, morons who make things up, that's called libel and slander. That's why I've already got a number of people in court, because they're dumb. They have no idea that you can't basically be a public figure in Britain and run from the government.
Right. You're only a public figure because you cosplay as Satoshi, right?
No,
real Satoshi would still be writing Bitcoin improvement proposals. Real Satoshi would have been there with me fighting against BCH and taking the brand. But you didn't even fork real Bitcoin. You forked a copy of Bitcoin. You made a copy of a copy.
I did not fork Bitcoin. Segwit forked Bitcoin.
Bro, I
So,
don't think you can say that.
you want to say these things and whatever else, and you want to say blah, blah, blah. No, I actually made a deal with Jihan. Jihan actually stabbed us in the back, so that's a different issue.
I was watching you during the hash rate race where you were competing with...
And as the argument heats up,
I was watching you during the hash rate race where you were competing with Kelvin's hash rate from CoinGeek to try and actually take over as the authoritative chain. against Bcash.
No, actually, we sorry,
So the staff, of course, accused the music, and the Craig Wright, he is escorted off stage because of continued arguments between him and Richard Hart. And then, well, after that, some people right there who are attending the event, they walked up to Richard Hart and they shake his hand, calling him a hero, a legend for speaking out about Bitcoin SV. Well, I don't know, guys, what are your reactions to the video clips that were being shown. So these video clips were, I give the full credit to BeInCrypto. Okay, so it's an interesting video clip between the confrontation and debate between Bitcoin SV CEO and founder Craig Wright and Richard Hart. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, on which side are you on. Okay, so anyways, this is all for now. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. So I hope this video helps you a lot, and I hope you have learned something from this kind of debate. Okay, so if you think that this video is helpful, feel free to share this to your crypto friends out there. And one more thing, peeps, for you to stay notified about my latest videos about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, all you have to do is to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And on top of that, you can also follow my official social media channels that are displayed here on the screen or in my YouTube description. Okay, so this is all for now. Thank you so much. My name is Jeff, aka Nomad Theory, and see ya on my next video.